We are so incredibly lucky to have a number of healthcare systems at our disposal. One of them is Ayurveda, which originated in India and has been practiced for the last 5,000 years and still continues to gain strength because it comes from two words, Ayur and Ved. Ayur means life and Ved means science. So it's a science of life. And it's based on the premise that our health and well-being is dependent on three main things. Ahar means food, what we eat, when we eat, and how we eat. Number two, Vihar, our environment. So our physical environment, how clean our environment is, clean air, clean water, and what kind of environment that is. Is it a desert? Is it a mountain? Is it a plain or a coast? So it depends on where we live, is how we eat and how we conduct ourselves. And the third one is Vichar. And I think it's very, very important. And even in Ayurveda, it says that 20% of our health and well-being depends on Ahar and Vihar, but 80% depends on our Vichars. So how we think, our mental, emotional, psychological health is very, very important. And it's also very difficult to diagnose and treat. So Ayurveda is based on proactive healthcare. So you don't have to be sick to practice Ayurveda. You practice Ayurveda so you don't fall sick. And there are a number of ways to look at your health even before you fall sick. So again, going back to Ayurveda, we learned a little bit more today. So I mentioned that Ayurveda is a proactive healthcare. So you don't have to fall sick to practice Ayurveda. We can practice it in our life day to day so we don't fall sick, or we don't fall sick enough to frequently go to our doctors, and we can save that money and energy for other things. So the way it looks for the cause and not for the symptom to treat our disease is on the premise that the five elements that are in the nature, earth, water, fire, air, and space, are also inside us. So we are made of these five elements, and a combination of these five elements are what determine our health. So as long as all these five elements are balanced in us, we are healthy. When there is an imbalance, there will be some symptoms. So looking at the symptom, they'll find out the cause. So usually the cause is the imbalance of either one of the combination of the elements. And the combinations are, one is kapha, so it's earth and water. Pitta is water and fire. And then vata is air and space. So all the heavy element in us is kapha. All the liquid and digestive fire is pitta, and all the air and space, so our mind, is vata. The reason I'm talking about Ayurveda today is because I have benefited a lot from this practice. And for me, it's like going back to the future. And because growing up, my parents always practiced Ayurveda and asked us to follow that as well. We did to some extent, but you know how children don't listen to their parents, and we don't listen to anyone unless we experience that ourselves. So now that I have actually rediscovered Ayurveda, I have seen how it has helped me, my family members, my friends, etc. And I'm not saying that all other health systems are somehow less than or not as good. They are all as good. But where Ayurveda actually excels in its proactive nature, it keeps me healthy without actually falling sick. It looks for the causes of my disease and not just treats the symptom. So that's where it excels. One of the main areas of, I would say, the best healing Ayurveda provides is anything related to metabolic disorder, skin diseases, autoimmune diseases. Ayurveda is really, really very good. So if you want to give it a try, I would highly recommend. And as I said, that we are so lucky to have a number of healthcare system. So in case of emergency, if we need acute care, immediate surgery, emergency, we have Western medicine and we have Western healthcare available to us. But we also have proactive healthcare. So why not use it? I hope you liked the video.